Hi you guys, it's me NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with skincare products that you should be using over 50. If you're interested in seeing this video, keep on watching. For those of you that do not know who I am NeeCJae. I focus on skincare and hair, makeup for the mature woman over 40, over 50. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first one notified. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into it. I'm 53 years old, so I love skincare, and these are some products that we should use when we hit that 50-year mark. We actually should start using them in our 40s, so it comes naturally in our 50s. I love to preserve my skin. I want my skin to look as youthful for as long as it can. Now, we're all aging, that's a fact, but I just feel like we should just want to preserve our skin for longevity, for the health of our skin, you know. So if you don't want to wear makeup, you don't have to. You should be able to feel confident in your own skin without wearing makeup. Somebody is cutting grass. I apologize if you hear that. They're across the way, but you can hear it over here. But anyway, the first products that I want to talk about is resurfacing products or exfoliating products. At our age, we should have an exfoliating routine. Now, I'm not talking about over exfoliating. Maybe exfoliating once a week or every other week or whatever your skin likes, okay? My skin, I exfoliate at least once a week. However, I use resurfacing skincare products almost every other night to help my skin cells turn over, okay? That is very important, because if not, you have dead layer of skin that's just piling up. That's why exfoliating is so important. But in between that time, if I exfoliate maybe every other week, I use resurfacing serums. Like, here's some by Paula's Choice. This is actually an exfoliating like liquid, okay? So for those of you that do not like the chemical exfoliants, that is what I use. You feel like, oh, I'm scared to use the chemical exfoliants. I just like them because they work immediately, you know, and you can see results immediately. They just get in there and you apply it on and you wash it off and you just see results, in my opinion. It just eat off the dead layer of skin. Sometimes it may be a little harsh for some people, but not for my skin. I use the Ordinary peeling solution. I like this. I've been using it for years now. I talk about it all the time. But what I would do if I was you, if you're starting off for the first time, is try it on an area that, you know, first try it on a small patch of area to see how it affects your skin. I love chemical exfoliants, but if you use granule exfoliants, they are made out of ground walnut shells, which can really be harmful for your skin. Now, if you want to still use like a granule, I suggest, and this is one of my favorite, by Kate Somerville. One of my absolute favorite. And in exfoliants, it's very intense. It's very intense, and you can actually feel it get in there and remove the dead layer of skin. Now, again, you do not want to over exfoliate. That can damage your skin. But however, you do want to exfoliate. You will see a big difference in your skin, how your makeup applies onto your skin, and just your overall skin texture. It evens out the skin, okay? You will be amazed, because you may have dead layer of skin just piling up on your face that could be causing your skin to look dull and lifeless, okay? So you should exfoliate. You should be exfoliating your skin. Next products that you should be using is hyaluronic acid. Especially if you have dry, mature skin, okay? Dry skin especially, okay? Hyaluronic acid helps to lock in moisture. It helps to lock that moisture in so it will not seep out into the atmosphere. That is what I love. Now, I have bone dry, mature skin. Some people don't have bone dry. I used to be a combination, but as I've gotten older, my skin is straight dry, honey. Dry. okay? So hyaluronic acid is one of my best friends. I use it. I like the way my skin feels. I love hyaluronic acid serums. Serums have active ingredients in it that work immediately. You can see results faster when using serums. I love them. I have a couple of serums that I actually love. One is by The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid. I love this one. Again, I will link all the products in the description box below. And also another one by Good Molecules, very affordable. Both of these are very affordable hyaluronic acids, okay? I have one by, I'm going to link it up here because I'm out of it and I have it on the way, by Elizabeth Arden. I love their hyaluronic acid products. And I have others, but I will again link my favorite ones in the description box below. If you have dry, mature skin and you're over 50, please look into it. You can research it and look it up. Use hyaluronic acid, even for a combination and normal skin. You can benefit from hyaluronic acid. Now with the oily, it's a little bit different, but I have oily friends, oily skin friends that say hyaluronic acid helps their skin also. Because what hyaluronic acid does, even with oily skin, it does lock in the moisture. Whether you know it or not, your skin needs moisture as well because it's producing oil. With oily skin, it's almost like your skin feels like it's not being hydrated enough, okay? So really look into the skincare products and look up oily skin and how you can help oily skin as well, okay? But for me with dry skin, definitely hyaluronic acid is a product that you need to implement in your skincare routine. The next product on the list is vitamin C. Vitamin C is very vital to your skin. It is an antioxidant. It helps to brighten your skin. It helps to remove fine lines and wrinkles, age spots. It is very, very good. Now, all of the products, especially hyaluronic acid, also helps to aid in fine lines and wrinkles as well, but especially vitamin C. You will see your skin look brighter, life. You know, sometimes your skin, you wonder like, what can I use to make my skin is looking a little lifeless? Vitamin C helps to brighten and give you that youthfulness. I have several different vitamin C's. I have a couple of them by Paula's Choice that I use. I have one by The Ordinary. Can't find the other one by Drunk Elephant. Again, I love vitamin C products. Love them. Very important to your skin. I promise you, you will see a big difference in how your skin looks, the texture of your skin when using vitamin C. Very, very important to add to your skincare regimen. Another product that you should add into your skincare routine is Retino. Retino products are very important. It has vitamin A. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles. It helps with firmness of your skin, okay? As we age, we lose that collagen. We lose the vitamin A in our skin that helps us look youthful. So one of my favorite products that I love is by Murad. It is the Retino Resculpt Overnight Treatment. Now Retino can be a little strong, so you need to apply it to your skin accordingly. You need to apply a little and see how it acts on your skin, okay? Now sometimes, let me tell you, sometimes you'll see some skincare break you out in the very beginning. In the very beginning, like you'll see maybe a breakout, a little bit of pimples here and there. Give it a week before you just say, I'm not using this anymore. Because sometimes you'll see your skin break out because it's not used to it. It's pushing out the impurities. It's like, oh, what is going on in my skin? And they'll break out for a little bit, then your skin will clear up. So give it, I'll say, a week, 7 days to see how your skin is reacting to it and see if it goes away, because you'll see it clear up. I've noticed that. I work with skincare so many times, like on the makeup counters, and I would suggest skincare, and they say, oh my God, my skin is breaking out. And I say, give it a week. Just try it. Give it a week, 7 days, maybe 7, 8 days to see if your skin starts clearing up. And 9 times out of 10, that's what happens. The skin will break out a little bit, then you'll see your skin start clearing up, start getting used to the skincare product, how it's reacting. Now, if it's a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, if it's like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, Now, you may need to stop. You don't want to damage your skin. But sometimes your skin will break out in the initial phase of using it, you know, but then it will clear up, okay? So I just wanted to put that out there. Now with retinol can irritate your skin and dry it out, but you don't want to dry it out. See, it can be a little too strong, but I use retinol like every other day. I was trying it every day like it suggested on the bottle, but then I was like, ooh, I stopped using it so much, I started using it every 2 days. And then when my skin got used to it, I started doing every other day. So I use it every other day now. I still can't use it every day like it suggests on the bottle. Every other day works for my skin. And I use this at night, okay? So retinol, very important for your skin. I'm telling you, we'll see a difference with the fine lines and wrinkles, firmness in your skin, collagen. That's another product that's collagen you can add into your routine as well. But with me using this retinol and the vitamin C, collagen I don't use as much because I have that in a powder that I drink in the morning. I use that collagen that way, but these are the products right now that I'm talking about. But anyway, because you know I go off on a tangent. Retinol is very important for your skin. Try it and let me know how it works for you. The next products on the list, especially if you're going to use retinol, you always need to use sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important, even at our age right now. Even if you have never used it and you say my skin is already damaged, still use it. It's not too late to start protecting your skin from the harmful UV rays, okay? The sun is damaging to your skin and you need something to protect it, okay? This is where sunscreen comes into play. I have several different sunscreens that I am absolutely in love with. One by Black Girl, the Black Girl sunscreen, and one from Murad, Paula's Choice, J-Lo. Love these products. I will definitely link these in the description box below so you can take a look at them and try to, you know, find one that works for you. But I have several different sunscreens that I actually love that do not have a white cast, okay? None of these that I've shown you have a white cast. So yes, I love sunscreen, very important, especially if you're using retinol products. You definitely want to use sunscreen. Use it every day. I want to put this in when I said using retinol products. Also, I like to use a retinol eye cream. Sometimes you can find fine lines and wrinkles under your eyes. I find that eye creams with retinol in it works wonderful, okay? Some people do not like eye creams. They do not believe in them. I do. When using eye creams consistently, you will see results, okay? It can't be hit or miss. Any of these skincare products, you have to use them consistently. So I love this one by Murad. You'll see a big difference with fine lines and wrinkles, darkness, any kind of eye imperfections like up under the eye area. This works when using consistently. I love this product with retinol in it. Love it. The next eye cream with retinol is by Peace Out, the retinol eye stick. I like this because it is like a stick, like looks like a little lipstick, where you can just swipe it up under your eyes. And this is by Peace Out. I've used this so many times and I love it. It is actually great for your eyes. So yeah, love this by Peace Out. All right, so that is all I have for you today. I hope this information was helpful and interesting, especially if you have mature skin like myself. These are some of the products that we need to use when we are over 40, over 50 years old, especially over 50 years old. We really need to implement these skincare products into our daily and nighttime routine. So anyway, guys, thank you so very much for just taking time out to watch my videos. If you like this type of video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel on the way out if you haven't done so already. And thank you again for just taking time out to watch my videos. I greatly appreciate it. Peace and love until next time.